Dust management is one of the most critical, and at the same time one of the most underestimated elements of concrete surface preparation. Grinding and polishing concrete generate respirable crystalline silica, a regulated hazard in Quebec, and a recognized occupational health risk across Canada and worldwide. When dust control is properly implemented, productivity increases, diamond tools last longer, and job sites remain safer and compliant. In this article, we'll cover what every contractor needs to understand, clearly and practically. Silica dust is not merely a nuisance. It is a regulated occupational hazard. In Quebec, the Code de sécurité pour les travaux de construction, specifically Articles 3.25.4 and 3.25.6, clearly defines employer responsibilities regarding engineering controls, including dust extraction systems equipped with HEPA filtration, safe work procedures, and appropriate personal protective equipment. Similar regulatory frameworks and exposure limits exist across Canada and internationally, making silica control a universal requirement for professional surface preparation. Concrete grinding releases fine particles that remain airborne. Silica exposure is regulated locally and governed by occupational health standards globally. Inadequate control may lead to stop work orders, and operators face serious long-term health risks. Compliance is the foundation of modern professional surface preparation. A dust extractor performs efficiently only when airflow and suction work together. Airflow, measured in CFM, captures airborne silica at the source, while water lift removes heavier dust and debris, leaving a cleaner surface behind the grinder. When either parameter is insufficient, productivity and safety are immediately affected. Low CFM allows dust to escape into the work environment, while low water lift leaves material on the floor, increasing manual cleanup and exposure risks. Balanced performance is essential for efficiency and safety. Effective dust management requires filtration systems designed specifically for concrete dust. This includes a primary filter to protect the motor, a HEPA filter capable of capturing 0.3 micron silica particles, and automatic or mechanical filter cleaning systems that maintain constant suction. Using shop vacuums or non-HEPA systems can contribute to airborne dust, rapid filter clogging, reduced suction, and regulatory noncompliance. Occupational safety authorities such as OSHA explicitly identify HEPA filtered vacuuming as an effective method to minimize worker exposure to respirable crystalline silica. Even the most powerful vacuum will underperform if airflow is restricted. Hose diameter and length directly affect performance. Best practices include using larger diameter hoses for large grinders, keeping hose length as short as possible, and avoiding lightweight hoses not designed for abrasive silica dust. A restricted hose results in reduced airflow, slower grinding, more dust on the floor, and higher exposure risk. Proper dust control improves more than safety. It directly impacts job performance. On real job sites, this translates into more square feet completed per day, reduced operator fatigue, longer diamond tool life, and fewer interruptions and cleanup delays. Dust management is not overhead. It is a productivity multiplier. Surface preparation vacuums must be evaluated by long-term performance, not by the initial price tag. True value means stable suction under load, efficient and durable filtration, full silica compliance, long-term reliability, and reduced downtime. A high-performance vacuum pays for itself through efficiency, safety, and compliance. When properly managed, dust control protects workers, improves productivity, and preserves equipment performance. While Quebec regulations are referenced here as a practical example, silica compliance is a global standard and a core component of professional surface preparation everywhere. At PHX Academy, we provide information about complete dust management systems, silica-safe practices, and proven techniques to maximize grinder performance and job site efficiency.